Here on the ride?
Yeah.
And we're stuck at the top. What a time for your water to break.
Well, it wasn't like I was planning this 9 months ago,
Okay,
mister.
all right, relax. Wait a minute. I brought everything in the bag. I've got the gloves.
You brought the laughing gloves.
Oh. All right, we're gonna need hot water. But we're on top of... Oh, that was handy. Thank you. Wow.
What a friendly seagull.
All right. Sit back. Wait, I think I see the head.
Oh, isn't it smart?
Okay, push, honey. Breathe. Come on, here it is. It's coming. It's the cops.
Don't shoot.
No cop's gonna keep my baby human in this world.
Oh, look, there's a ladder. Why don't we just climb down? Come on.
All right.
Cheek.
All right. Taxi! Everyone, put your pants back on. What's screaming at you with a baby hanging out of you like that? Taxi!
I'll whistle.
I think it screeched to a halt, if I'm not mistaken.
Jim!
You sat on a cockatoo. All right, take us to the hospital, quick. Oh, that was quick.
Bam!
You okay?
Someone shot me. Why would someone shoot me?
I don't know.